Om. Namaste. I will read out a question received from a person from Chicago. I am from Chicago, US. I have been watching your YouTube since more than a year. Though your videos are in simple language, they have very deep insight and I get several different clues from them each time I watch. My lifestyle become easy ever since I started participation in your Kriya series. Thanks for the same. I have learned that the fully realized adept who is one with the divine has access to all the divine powers. He or she who achieves is Mahasiddha. I have been searching the net for the Siddha tradition of these 8 great powers. Unfortunately, no one throws light and no clue is at sight. Can you speak on these mystical great powers in detail? I will be thankful to you along with my friends. Yes, there are several mystical powers. There are several siddhis, not 1 or 2, not 8. At least 14 are there. The 14 are not practiced by the yogis. But 8 are practiced by the yogis, but they do not reveal it. Because each yogi, each guru, each Swamiji, each Siddha, each perceptor, each master knows the truth. The truth, most of the time, is with the masters. It comes out very rarely when the master finds the right choice or right disciple for him, because the true guru, the true masters do not want these powers to be leaked under any circumstances. Those which are available in the market are only for marketing, are not for understanding. If you have been watching the Kriya Kundalini Awakening and Kriya Kundalini Jagran, I have to make it very clear that somewhere you are connected to the divinity without even your knowing, knowledge, or you may be knowing, you have not disclosed. The reason is, I was about to talk about these very particular siddhis. The end portion of the Kriya Kundalini Jagran or Kriya Kundalini Awakening consists of what has come to you as a question. But as you said, when you go and search anywhere on any yoga matter, lots and lots of information will be available. I am repeating again, lots and lots of information will be available. Information is available with me, with you, with everybody. People are interested in collecting the information, will remain with the information. It's of no use. Look at any YouTube video talking about the subject what you have asked. There will be an image and you do not know who is speaking. It is not a speech. It is a note. A dictaphone can also speak what you find there. The reason is there will be an image. Lot of attractive images will be inserted for each paragraph, but a person behind the scene will be reading out. What does it convey? Is there any message from the person who is reading out, or is it his experience? No. If it is not your experience, then it is only information picked up from here and there given to us. So I will suggest you have some patience for a few days. The coming 20th, probably on Tuesday onwards, every day one power, one mystical video with the detailed inputs will surely be coming. With the completion of all the mystical powers having been shared, then we will be taking up the chakra part of it. We will very clearly explain. You can stay with us, you can be with us, you can share with us. As we explain, you can live with it. That is how we will have to learn. Learning part is not a dictaphone or a speaker reading out something behind a scene and we are listening. In movies, the hero and the heroine will just give a moment or a shake in their lips, whereas the singers are beautiful behind the scene. They do not appear at all. It is their creation. So, in yoga, in tantra, and in spiritual, we cannot afford to be like that, because certain secret which can be misused need to be learnt from the master by being with the master for quite a number of period of time, maybe days, months and years. The knife is very attractive, the knife is sharp, still the knife is ours own, we are the owners of the knife, but still the knife cannot be given to the children or to a child's hand. Innocently, the child can hurt itself or others. In the same way, this, what we are going to discuss, can be used, can be misused also. The misused part will live short, but the damage caused is caused. As a result, as yogis, as divine path seekers, we should always be in a path of carefulness so that we handle these subjects very tactfully, very carefully, very divinely. That will help us in learning this divine subject very sincerely with the grace of Mahavatar Babaji. As such, we will very soon we will be graced by Mahavatar Babaji to learn these secrets. So hold all your suspense. Surely we are going to open, we are going to share with you in detail. Each of the videos will guide you, and you and your friends and all others around the world will surely come to know what is this learning, how these people have become adept, how these divinities have become divine adept, how they have achieved Mahasiddhis, how they become Siddhas, will be open to you in a few days from now with the conclusion of Kriya Kundalini Jagran and Kriya Kundalini Awakening series, which is part of the Step 18, Kriya Kundalini awakening and Kriya Kundalini Jagran. Another person from San Francisco has asked, we want some critical spiritual questions to be answered by you. What is the way we can reach you? Is there any method through live YouTube or any other method you can help us clarify or answer some of our critical questions which is bothering us? Although the time zone between India and US is opposite to each other, still we can afford to wait for overnight to listen to your answers. Please let us know how do we contact and in what best way you can help us. As regards the technicality and launching YouTube, I don't have any support for. I do not know on which platform it works also. In the YouTube, when we upload our videos, they say there is a prompt which comes and advises, do you want to go for Premiere? I do not understand what it is. It only says you and your audience can watch the video simultaneously together. But how far it will accept question and answer, I do not know. If any such platform is available on paid basis or whatever it is, no issues for me. Time zone is not an issue for me. I can manage with it. How do I communicate for a group of people to come together on a same day at same time is another issue. If you can guide me to my mobile number, which is given at the beginning as well as at the end of this video, definitely I can explore and clarify any of your spiritual doubts or any of your personal problems also. When relates to personal problem, you can avoid giving your name and other details so that the privacy is always maintained. Okay? Happy? Thank you. Soon we will eagerly await these videos. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.